Did you know that exercising at night can actually enhance your body's ability to burn fat? That's right. As your metabolism naturally slows down towards the evening, engaging in physical activity can rev it back up, leading to greater calorie expenditure and fat loss. So, here's the burning question. Are you ready to torch those extra calories and reveal your shredded physique? Before we start, let me describe why night exercises are important. Enhanced fat burning. Nighttime workouts can boost metabolism and promote increased fat burning, as the body's natural metabolic rate tends to slow down in the evening. Improved sleep quality. Exercising at night can help reduce stress hormones and promote the release of endorphins, leading to better sleep quality and more restful slumber. Consistency and convenience. Night exercises offer a convenient option for busy individuals to prioritize fitness, eliminate distractions, and maintain consistency in their workout routine. Now let's start these magical workouts. Windmill targets obliques and core muscles, aiding in toning and tightening the waistline, which can help reduce belly fat. Curtsy engages multiple muscle groups including glutes, quads, and core, promoting calorie burn and fat loss, including in the abdominal area. Dancing crab. Dynamic full-body exercise that elevates heart rate and engages core muscles, contributing to overall fat burning, including in the belly region. Left-right hooks incorporates twisting and rotation, engaging oblique muscles, and promoting calorie expenditure, which can aid in reducing belly fat. Marching knee taps combines cardio with core engagement, helping to burn calories and strengthen abdominal muscles, leading to reduced belly fat over time. Side shuffle high knees, intense cardio exercise that targets the entire body, including the core, facilitating calorie burn and fat loss, including around the belly area. Star plank challenges core stability and engages multiple muscle groups, promoting calorie burn and overall fat loss, including in the abdominal region. Butt kicks, cardio exercise that elevates heart rate and engages leg muscles, contributing to calorie burn and fat loss, including in the belly area. Diagonal lunges targets multiple lower body muscles while engaging the core for stability, aiding in overall calorie expenditure and belly fat reduction. Leg circles engages core muscles and stabilizers while promoting hip mobility, contributing to overall calorie burn and abdominal fat loss. Cobra push-ups strengthens upper body muscles while engaging core muscles for stability, aiding in overall fat loss, including in the abdominal region.